Ever worry about sudden power surges damaging your devices? Tangled cords and limited outlets make charging stressful. Phones, lamps, laptops, always fighting for outlet space. Short extension cords restrict your workspace flexibility. No surge protection means risking expensive electronics. Overloaded outlets can cause dangerous circuit breaks. Messy cables ruin the look of your home or office. Constantly unplugging devices to make room for others. Worried about safety and organization in your workstation? Introducing the Amazon Basic Surge Protector Power Strip. 6 outlet let you power multiple devices at once. 790 joules of surge protection safeguard your electronics. Red LED indicator shows active surge protection status. 6-foot cord gives you flexible placement anywhere. Slim, space-saving design keeps your area organized. Integrated mounting holes for easy wall installation. 15-amp circuit breaker adds extra safety for your devices. One transformer outlet fits bulky adapters with ease. Durable 3-prong cord ensures secure connectivity. Perfect for offices, home workstations, and retail setups. Charge phones, laptops, and small appliances safely. No more fighting for outlets or unplugging devices. Protect your investment from unpredictable surges. Enjoy peace of mind with reliable overload protection. Organize your cables and keep your space clutter-free. Easy installation mounted on the wall for convenience. Ideal for tech users, homeowners, and office workers. Upgrade your power management and protect your devices. Amazon Basic Surge Protector. Safe, smart, and efficient. Make your workspace safer and more organized today. Product details and link are given in the description.